Listen to the music, guys. One of these trees has our next clue.
And the egg with the Golden Lynx. Gotcha, egg! Nope, don't gotcha. Boo! Found ya! No egg. False alarm.
Be really, really still and quiet, and the egg will find you. You'll be like, then bam! There it'll be, right beside you, waiting to hatch.
Well, just in case the egg doesn't find me, how about we keep moving?
I bet you've got some awesome egg hunting ideas in that sticky head of yours, SnailTail. Boing, boing, boing.
Please stop.
Yeah, sure. It's so fun. Boing. Okay, I'll stop.
With my HFF, we're the perfect match.
Gonna find that egg and help it hatch.
Who has two antennae and hates when people burst into song? This guy.
Ooh, that tree is off key. Ooh. Don't want to catch the Sniffles.
I'm going in to help this tree.
Oh my gosh! It's so dark in here.
Can you see what's wrong?
I can't see anything. I'll tickle the tree. Maybe that'll help.
Boing. I can do this.
Can I play? What? Hey! I think I found what's causing the tree all the trouble. Ooh, an egg. Don't panic, Cheetree. Stay calm. It's no good freaking out.
Cheetree, you got this!
Now show that egg some love. I will, Penguella.
Little Cheetree! Cheetree, you gotta see this!
Fixed it.
There you go, buddy.
Let her rip. Guys?
Aww, it's a baby me.
You guys? Oh, you guys!
SnailTail, just ran off with the scroll.
Time to hatch a new friend. Come on, little one. The world's ready for you.
Okay, what do you guys think our new Hatchimal will want to see first? Icicles in polar paradise, singing trees in fabulous forest, or me?
You. Definitely you, Cheetree.
Here we go! Come on, let's do this! Exciting!
Aw, welcome to Hatchtopia! I'm Penguella, this is Cheetree, and that's Draggle.
Hi!
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Puppet. Hey, I have wings! Cool!
There you go. That's it. Yeah! Oh,
Achoo! Huh? What? Oh. That's the bell from the schoolhouse. It's school time.
you'll like school, Puppet. You'll get to learn all the cool stuff that makes Hatchtopia the Hatchtopiast.
Come on! Time to go!
This place is huge, and everything sparkles. Hi, I'm going to school.
Hey!
Here we are.
You learn to fly, how to help hatch eggs, and about all the coolest plants in Hatchtopia.
Like these ginormous roses all over Glittering Garden. How amazing does that smell? like a scroll. Do we open it? Do we need to bow to it? Or maybe, like, wave? Hello?
Let's just open it.
Look, there's a message.
From forest to lake to flower patch.
A magical journey and eggs to hatch. Travel the land, venture near and far.
Find the Golden Lynx, bright as a star.
Whoa! Wow. What's a lynx?
At school, Puppet. That's where you'll learn it all. Let's do this!
Yay! Wow! A magical journey! And a golden lynx! Whoa, look at that! That's totally a clue. Wow! Crystal Canyon! Crystal nests everywhere! Oh, this is my absolute favorite place in all of Hatchtopia. Remember, we're looking for the Crystal of Truth. Let's go!
With all these nests, it's not going to be easy.
I love this place. I love you guys. I love me. I love love. We love you too, Puppet. Pink crystals are for love. My body feels like a scoop of sunshine covered in sparkles. I'm so happy.
Yellow is joy.
What do orange crystals do? Ever wonder what magic is? Where does it come from? Who has it? Are we all magic? I mean, what if I sat in this nest all day? Would I turn orange? Huh. Guess we'll never know. Okay, was that like maybe the weirdest thing you ever saw? But like in a super dreamy kind of way. What's it all about?
Can we get this nest to go?
Oh! Red crystal nest! We haven't tried that one yet! SnailTail!
Yay! What? Puppet, your hugs are the warmest things ever, and you're so adorable. Wait, what? No!
Congratulations! You found the Crystal of Truth.
I most certainly did. I wanted to find the next clue all by myself. Just kidding. No, I'm not.
Oh, you silly snail. Ooh, egg!
Whoa, guys, you think this one could be the Golden Lynx?
I hope so, but I can't hatch eggs. Yes, I can. No, I can't. I'm afraid of hatching eggs.
Can you believe the stuff SnailTail's saying? Yeah! I told you he's hilarious. Guys? An alicorn! The scroll's getting all glowy. The egg's power once found will challenge the sun. Its magic is strong and cannot be undone. The musical trees must mean Fabula Forest.
I'm scared. No, I'm not. Well, a little. Not even a little. Ah, that's so sweet. What? I don't care. Shoot, shoot. Oh.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Now? How about now? Now? Puppet, I love you, but you gotta stop asking that. Crystal Canyon is just a song away.
Woo! Who's feeling fabulous in Fabula Forest?
The secret egg is magic. The secret egg is magic.
It is magical. So let's get to Crystal Canyon before a certain sticky someone finds that Golden Lynx.
As soon as I find that Golden Lynx, he'll be my magical friend, and I'll be the most popular guy in Hatchtopia. Too high, much too high!
Cool that we got ourselves a new partner in SnailTail, huh?
Right? Isn't he the cutest? Why do you think he's so into helping? Doesn't he give anybody else weird vibes? Nope.
Nah.
Personally, I think we should be open to a new friend's help, don't you? Of course, but he's...
I just really want to find the Golden Lynx so everyone in Hatchtopia can experience something magical. I know, but you worry too much. Whoa! That egg's on a roll! Look at him go!
Guys, it could be the Golden Lynx!
Time to hatch a new friend!
Yeah. Get ready.
Whoa! We did it!
Let's do this!
Oh, you are adorable!
Aw, thank you. I'm Hamster, and I'm super excited to be here. Wow, you guys' wings are so glittery. Hey, my wings are glittery too. Wow, look at this place. It's so amazing. I can hardly stand it. You all seem awesome, by the way. I mean, I know I just met you, but I feel this whole BFF, or should I say HFF, happily ever after kind of vibe, and I love it. Wow, do you guys smell something sweet? Ooh, what's that?
It's a magical scroll we found, and it leads to new friends, like you.
Oh, wait till you meet SnailTail. He's hilarious.
Actually, we're not sure if
He's hilarious. He's helping us, and I miss him already.
We're headed to Crystal Canyon. Come on!
I'm gonna be the first one to Crystal Canyon. Oh,
Whoa! Here, Eggy, Eggy, Eggy. Don't be shy. Golden Lynx, where are you? Guys, I found one! I found an egg! Yay, puppet! You're not an egg.
I haven't been an egg for a long time. I'm SnailTail. What should I call you? Shouty? Screamy? Shouty it is.
What did you find?
Wait, who's this?
I'm SnailTail.
Nice to meet you.
You could let go now.
I'm trying. Well, any friend of Puppets is a friend of ours.
Oh, we're not.
Best friends yet! We found a cool scroll made out of a leaf. It says there's gonna be a magical...
Let's see. Every Hatchimal you're lucky to meet makes your journey a joy. Your quest complete. Golden Lynx.
Excuse me, we need that scroll.
I don't get it. Stop being so hard to understand, Scroll.
Dude, you're kind of hogging the scroll. Let's look at it together.
Of course. Where are my manners?
I'll just take that, thanks. Okay, it is a little mysterious.
Told ya.
But together we can figure it out. The truth lies in a nest. You'll see. There's magic there. A clue or three.
Well, that's crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Oh! Crystal Canyon!
Yes, Crystal Canyon has those mood nests. Let's go.
Woohoo! It's an egg!
It's by that buttercup.
Let's hatch it! Come on, SnailTail!
I have a better idea. I'll go to Crystal Canyon while you go after that egg.
Well, I really think we should stick together.
Okay, hatch you later.
Time to hatch a new friend. You can help this time, Puppet.
It's a Bandu.
Who has two antennae and is going to be best friends with the magical Golden Lynx? This guy.